Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna upgrade these mirrors from, that's the original mirrors, to those kind of mirrors, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And first of all, this is the tools that you're gonna need. Nut drivers, 2 nut drivers. One size is 732, I believe, and the other one you're gonna need is 6mm. And then this tool, flathead screwdriver, 10, 8mm, and 11mm sockets. So first thing you want to do is get these 2 6mm screws out. And then just using a flathead screwdriver, just pop this up. Disconnect all the connectors. Also, there's this cover. Take that off. And then there's a place right for a screwdriver to go in. And then there's one more down right here. Just kind of pop it up and come right out. Alright. It takes 8mm. There's 2 bolts up here. And using flathead screwdriver, you just pop this, kind of put it in there, it will just pop right out. Then you need a 10mm socket. There's a bolt right there, 10mm. I'll take that off. Then using this 732 nut driver, 4 screws for the speaker. Just basically come right out. Then there's a connection, just disconnect it. Then this plastic piece just comes off like that. And for this door panel to come out, these 2 things got to come out because the door won't go up. And then all you simply do is just pull up on the door. It should come right out. There we go. Get that off. It takes 11mm to loosen the mirror up with 3 nuts and 1 connector. Once you take the nuts off, the mirror should just pull right off. And this is what we're gonna upgrade to. So it's got a turn signal. One minus though about this truck is it original didn't have a turn signal. So the turn signal on these mirrors will not work on the mirrors themselves. I don't know about this light if it's gonna work or not, but it's definitely cool looking mirrors. and this additional blind spot mirror would be a great help. The way I found easier to install this is through the window. That way you can see what's not matching up. And you want to go behind this first, and then it should just go right in. And then, you know, just put the nuts in and a connector. It should be good to go. Of course, the way you took everything off, you just want to put everything back in reverse. I bought these on eBay and I thought they were a good price for an upgrade. It was like $140, and I'll post the link below. And what's cool about these is if you're towing something, they just pull right out and, you know, help you see. They also, of course, fold like that. So I think it's pretty cool looking mirrors.